Hi everyone, here is a quick video on how to create headings in a document. So this document is going to be about how to create headings, and that is going to be the title of the document. So typically in the accessibility world, the convention is for the title of a document that doesn't have a title page is to use style heading 1 for that document. So you click on the styles up here and you scroll down to heading 1, and that becomes your heading. So then you, let's say we want to kind of create an outline, step 1. And we want step 1 to be a heading. So then we go here and make that a heading 2 because we don't want it to have kind of the same level as the title. We want it to be a next level down. And it seems like if we're going to do step 1, then maybe step 2 and step 3, we also want those to be headings. For headings, you can highlight, you don't have to highlight the whole thing. You can highlight anything on that line and it will change that line to a heading. Now, if we want to create text underneath that heading, we just hit enter at the end of that line and you'll see it switches back automatically to normal text. So in step 1, all you have to do is type. And then in step 2, all you have to do is change the style to what you want. Now, what often happens to me is I don't like the way that the Google Docs default styles heading 2. So if I don't like heading 2, maybe I want heading 2 to always be blue, and I want it to be always bold, and I don't want it to have that annoying space after. So I'm going to remove the space after the paragraph. All right, so now heading 2 is just the way I want, or this step 1 is just the way I want it. But I want the rest of heading 2s to be just like that. So then I go to heading 2, and there are two options: apply heading 2 or update heading 2 to match. If you do that, all of the heading 2s will look like the one that you're on. So boom, there we go. Now they're all blue, they're all bold, and they all have that space removed. So you can make these headings look however you want. That is the short version of how to create headings. And then you get this outline on the side, which makes navigating a long document much easier. You can just jump to specific sections. If my cursor is up here on how to create headings, I click on step 3, it'll bring me right down to step 3. You can imagine if you have a document that's anything over 2 or 3 pages, this becomes really useful as a way of navigating around the document. And if you're sharing a document in Zoom, in a Zoom chat, you copy that URL for when I'm on step 3. Click up here, copy that URL, and you can put that link in the chat and it will bring people right to step 3 in your document. So that's the short version. Good luck.